Okay, number 30. The area of a rectangle is 32 inches squared. So there's your area at 32. The length is x. The width is x plus 4. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. So we need to basically find what x is, right? So area of a rectangle is base, or length times width, base times height, whichever you want to say. That area equals 32. So to solve this, we distribute. That's x squared plus 4x. We're going to minus the 32 over to this side. And now we're going to factor. As always, when you factor, you ask yourself, is there a greatest common factor? There is not here. So it's a trinomial. That means we're going to have our two bubbles, or two sets of parentheses. What multiplies to give you negative 32? That adds to give you 4. That's going to be an 8 and a negative 4. So plus 8 and minus 4. Then we set each one equal to 0. Subtract the 8. So you get x equals negative 8. And x minus 4 equals 0. Add the 4. X equals 4. So we know we can't have a negative length. So negative 8 doesn't count. We get x equals 4. So our length is 4, and we're dealing with inches here. And our width is x plus 4, so 4 plus 4 is 8 inches. So there's your length and your width. Alright, the length of a side of a square is x plus 2, so you have x plus 2 and x plus 2. The area is 16. Alright, find the length of the side of the square. So to do this mathematically, alright, we would do length times width, or x plus 2 times x plus 2, and set that equal to 16. Go ahead, practice solving this. We first need to multiply that out. So if you use FOIL or box, whichever one, you get x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4 equals 16. Now we're going to combine the like terms and subtract the 16. So you get x squared, 2x plus 2x is 4x. 4 minus 16 is minus 12. No greatest common factor, that's our trinomial, so we're looking for the two numbers that multiply to give you negative 12 and add to give you 4. Let's see, that's going to be 6 and negative 2. So x plus 6, x minus 2 equals 0. Set each one equal to 0. Add the 2, you get x equals 2, minus a 6, x equals negative 6. We cannot have a negative length, so we get x equals 2. So the length of the side of the square, 2 plus 2, would be 4 centimeters for each side of the square. And there's those two.